Bodyguards are people who spot danger before anyone else. From fans and pranksters to real-life assassination attempts. They all share one mission: don't let anyone get too close. Today, you'll see the most intense, ridiculous, and downright wild moments when security reacted fast, and sometimes even a bit too fast. Black Ink crew star Sky Days got into a heated argument with a taxi driver in New York who cut her off in traffic. But I have to ask, why does she even need bodyguards when she handles herself just fine?
World star hip hop, man. Black Ink shit, man.
The security team showed up a little late, though to be fair, the fan didn't seem to mean any harm. Gazmawet's stage presence alone might be enough. Looks like he could save some money on bodyguards. A few years ago, Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro was giving a speech to a crowd when suddenly, boom! An explosion was heard. Dozens of bodyguards rushed to protect the president from a suspected drone attack. And in the end, 7 members of the National Guard were injured. The guard reacted so fast, it's like he knew exactly what that woman was about to do.
Beverly trying to save it. Glenn Taylor sitting courtside. We have seen a few incidents.
When you've got a massive 2-meter guy behind you, you can afford to act tough. And streamer Jack Doherty knows it well.
What? Little prop, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, bro? Yeah. We got out of there, motherfucker! Let's go!
But this time, Jack's walk ended in a fight after some passers-by didn't like the message on his bodyguard's t-shirt.
Got a stupid shirt on over there.
Yeah. Your kids can't read, though. Your kids can't read, can they?
Who else thinks this guy actually enjoys situations like these?
You get away from me. Watch your kids. Go walk away.
Hey!
McKinley, back up.
What the fuck's your problem?
Don't touch me.
The YouTuber's bodyguard decided to end an argument with party guests in his own way, with a punch. That was brutal.
What is wrong with you? Are you fucking crazy?
Hey, what's up? Hey, one by one, what's up?
Security guard are you?
And now to Turkey, an attack on politician Özgür Özel. He did get slightly injured, but his bodyguards reacted instantly, stopping the assailant from escaping. And just look at the chaos caused by fans of Indian actor Shah Rukh Khan. The bodyguards barely held them back. Pure Bollywood drama, with the sound of women screaming, of course. Drake tried to handle the situation politely, but his security clearly had a different opinion. Nothing can stop the bodyguards of VIPs. Not even a moving car. They'll jump on mid-ride and make it look cinematic while doing it. Ronaldo personally set boundaries and made sure a pushy fan understood them. Justin Bieber was calmly performing in Dubai when suddenly luckily no one got hurt, except the piano. A reporter was determined to get a shot of Sabrina Carpenter, but the only thing he captured was the bodyguard's open umbrella and a few bruises as a souvenir. Some guy decided to bother his tiki-taki in a cafe, but neither he nor anyone expected the bodyguard to react that fast. Some people still hadn't learned. Getting too close to your idols can end badly. Here's the proof. Not only did the guy manage to rush onto the stage and kiss the singer, but he even knocked her off her feet. Honestly, not the best day for her security team. While Cristiano Ronaldo's security handles the situation, he doesn't even flinch, completely unfazed by whoever's trying to approach him. The girl was so close to her goal, but nope. Security moved in lightning fast. And here a poor fan almost fell over. But really, what did he expect? The singer's bodyguards had to form a full protective circle around him just to hold back the crowd of fans. And this isn't a scene from an action movie, it's actually a training drill showing how security teams react during an attempted attack on a VIP. We live in an era where streamers, like the guy known as Speed, have an army of bodyguards rivaling those of world leaders.
They trying to get me tired already. Your mic's still off?
This brawl broke out when fans tried to storm the football field, and the security had to fight back. I totally get why people love Keanu Reeves. But this woman definitely crossed the line. The security team had no other choice but to step in.
You gotta relax, man. Get her out of there. Get her out of there.
The safety of the King and Queen of Thailand was at risk, but their security detail handled the situation perfectly. As for everyone else, this is how Beyoncé's bodyguards block paparazzi, using umbrellas and flashing lights to make sure no one gets a clear shot. At the 47th ASEAN Summit, Malaysian female bodyguards put on quite a show, jumping into a moving car, escorting foreign delegates with perfect precision. Here's a heated confrontation between fighters Arman Sarukian and Bobby Green, quickly broken up by security.
Get on my face, bro. Get on my face. Hey, listen. I don't do all that talking, bro. Back and forth on my face. What's up?
Come on. Made it.
Why you want to in my face like that and shit, bro? What on? What's up?
Judging by Sarukian's face, the tension definitely isn't over.
He touched you too.
Dealing with a swarm of journalists and cameramen is no easy task, especially for those protecting high-profile politicians.
Whoa. No. What you make? No. Go, Kenny West!
Sometimes even the most experienced security teams can't hold back a frenzied crowd.
Oh my God.
Jamal, you the GOAT, bro.
Speed's bodyguards go head-to-head with a crowd of aggressors trying to attack the streamer.
Yo, hey, hey.
Yeah, I think it's safe to say he really needs to pay them well. If you're Justin or Hailey Bieber, even a simple trip to the spa turns into a full-on endurance test for your security team.
Just give it space, guys. We're gonna give it space. We're gonna give it space. Go. No, hey.
Another attack on Speed.
What the?
This time on the football field. Can this guy go anywhere without getting ambushed?
Why'd he put his hands on me, bro? I didn't even touch him. Bro.
When all you wanted was a photo of Kim, but 1 second later, you're starring in an action movie. Aiden's bodyguard decided to play it safe, just in case.
I'm sorry, I can't take a picture of whale. I thought it was sick. That picture of whale was good. Yeah, that was sick.
How you doing?
Aggressive fans almost knocked over Tom Hanks' wife, and that was enough to make him furious.
Whoa.
Stop it!
What are you doing? Back the off. What are y'all doing? Knock it over my wife.
She definitely has the best bodyguard around.
Come on, man.
Sorry about that, Tom.
This fan managed to ruin the artist's mood and shut down the concert in seconds, then disappeared without a trace. A guy broke onto the stage, but the way security removed him was so smooth it looked completely choreographed. But for this fan, things didn't end so nicely. First place today goes to Speed's security team. For the sheer number of times they've saved him from attacks.
Whoa, which way? Which way?
Speed, please!
That moment when you realize climbing on stage was definitely a bad idea. While some bodyguards are out there stopping real threats, Rihanna's team can't even protect her from doors. Beyoncé didn't expect Brazilian fans to be that passionate. They literally tried to pull her off the stage. Luckily, her security team was on point. A group of muscular bodyguards rushed to protect a rapper from a fragile girl. Triple H's security team tried to push away a little fan, but the actor stepped in and even gave him a hug. next-level security skills. Chris Brown just went skateboarding in Cannes, but for his bodyguards, it turned into a full-blown security operation. Prankster Vitaly Sijuk is known for these crazy stunts, like when he grabbed Justin Timberlake's leg at the Louis Vuitton fashion show in Paris. At the 67th Cannes Film Festival, security had to pull a man out from under America Ferrera's dress. Yes, really. Demi Lovato asked her team to open the barrier so she could greet some kids, but the whole crowd surged forward. One fan managed to reach and hug Demi right on stage, but that wasn't the end. Security had to deal with the wave of fans rushing after her. It took several security guards to calm down a Drake fan who was so overwhelmed she ended up on her knees. A crazy fan tried to attack Neymar during a Barcelona-Santos match. The guards had to work hard to get him off the field. This is the moment Fifth Harmony's Ali Brooke was attacked in Mexico. The guards were just a few seconds too late. If you're a Nicki Minaj fan, never do what this guy did. Just watch how her bodyguards handled him. It's hard not to feel sorry for him.
I'm just filming McDonald's, mate.
And finally, a group of local celebrities took over a McDonald's and didn't like being filmed. But in the end, they left to the applause of bystanders. That's all for today. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.